Okay? Girls, galingan nyo ha. Music, wait lang. Honesty system tayo. Sino yung nauna? Siya ka. Thank you. Dahil dyan ikasulat. Totoo. Dahil honest siya, o tamo, may kiss ka. Ikaw wala kang kiss, tamo, kasi nanalo ka. Halika dito. Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay. Music. Music.
You got me jumping like.
Excited si ate, ha? Hey! Wala pa! Whoop!
Sino gusto mo? Ford ulit. Asa si Ford?
Pwede nyo nang iuwi si Ford.
Okay, girls na yun.
Lakas si Ford, ha? Lakas, ha?
Music, music. Next.
Let's flip the script and flip it, flip it. Flip this thing up.
Saya, girls. Everybody dance.
Hey! Whoop!
Yeah, we flip this thing up.
Yeah!
Okay, dalawa dito.
Dalawa
Hindi,
to.
sabay sila eh.
Sabay sila.
Yung nakita ko eh.
Sabay na nakita mo. So, isa pang ikot.
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
Let's flip this script and flip it, flip it. Flip this thing up.
May party light. Woo!
Hey! Hey!
Let's go, girls.
Hey! Hey! Ano?
Si Joanna.
Sabay. Sabay sila ate, sabay pa rin. Tama.
Talaga. Okay. Okay lang? Okay lang ba?
Guys,
Next
we're-
time, sila po ang ating DTI
judges
representative.
natin.
Ay, sabi. Sino na nga?
They both said...
Sino na una? Nakakalaklak daw na una. Ay, ating naka-off shoulder. Sorry, siya pa naman yung pinaka-sumasaya. This is your
Sorry.
chance! Okay, thank you. Hello, boys? Thank you. Okay. Wala na ba? So, isang singa alisin. Babawasan natin ang isang boy. Kneel daw. Kneel? Kneel? Okay. Kneel, exit ka muna. It's down to two boys.
Kasama dito ni
Russell. Hey! Girl! Dalawa, tapos dalawa. Hindi, tatlo sila ate. Music, please! Kailangan na ka na. And close the door. More than the chest, but you won't need it anymore. You won't need it
Nauna yung naka-black. Siya.
So, I'm pretty girl. Nauna raw si Chloe. So, siya po yung out. Yeah, ito yung out. Okay, Chloe.
Thanks for joining.
Okay, this is alright, one seat out. Thank you,
Ginagaling si Chloe,
Russell.
ha?
Joel, okay. Babaguhin natin yung mechanic. So, si Joao nandun. Yung girls, dulo-dulo. O, ate girl, dun ka, sa corner. Okay, ay, so, yung girls, dito lang sila sasayaw. Tapos, unahan, kumandong kay Joao. Joao, good luck. Okay. Alright,
Good luck,
music,
ladies.
please. Last round.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Talking like Miley.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Start talking like Miley.
Sayaw, Joao, sayaw!
Yan ang finale song ni Joao.
You got everybody in this club looking at you, girl.
Hey! Nakatabi kayo!
Hey! Hey! Hey!
So everybody in this club, 'cause I got you, girl. I'ma tell you what's going down tonight. Let's go inside. Let's just shoot back to my ground. I just gotta say.
Kung wala! Nasira! Nasira! Patay kayo, kabayaran kayo.
Actually, na-anticipate na natin to eh.
Sinabi na sa'yo.
Ano?
Left, right. Ayun siya.
Left.
Siya yung nanalo.
Nasira yun.
Siya ang winner. What's your name again? Shane. Shane, congratulations and thank you for joining.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so ngayon, ang special prize mo.
Okay. Oh, medyo na-cool siya. Pero
Okay lang yun si Joel na yung andyan, no?
okay.
Sabay tayo sasayaw, ha?
Sabay kayo. Alright.
Kailan? Siyempre! Sabay tayo. Kasi ba? Sasayaw. Kasi si Jiwag, sali rin kayo.
Sali yung
Russell.
boys, sali yung boys.
Oy, sali na daw tayo. Sali na tayo lahat.
Okay, game.
Hey! Russell.
Okay. Sino ang mga nakamiss na ng like Miley ni Joel? Well, mapapanood niyan ulit tonight.
Kasi
Okay.
mga yung boy band PH members. Okay?
Yes.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Start talking like Miley.